Well, good morning. It's October 9th. I'm at the sod field headed to Birds for breakfast. And it's 47 degrees, a little bit chilly this morning, but calm winds, looks beautiful. So we'll see how it goes. I'll cruise around here for just a minute and check my temperatures. Definitely going to be chilly. Shoots up, lines look good. Beautiful morning. Let my temperature get up a little bit. Climb on up, give the tower a call, let them know what I'm doing. Tower experimental 2825 whiskey, 4 miles northeast, flight level 300 AGL. Razorback 2825 whiskey. I'm a powered parachute. I have negative transponder, but wanted to give you a heads up. I'm headed over to 51AR Birds Field north of Ozark. Roger that, and when I come back in, I'll give you guys a shout and let you know I'm getting close.